Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to make your website look great using columns rather than tables at connect.dataczar.com. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to get logged in. Now we're already logged in. I'm just going to click on the button. And that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that and go full screen. So from dashboard, you're going to go to the website button. This is where our website builder is, and this is for posts and pages. Now we're going to be creating a page today, but remember, doing columns, the editing tools for posts are identical. So you can use the columns on posts or pages. And then also we have page templates here. We have different themes for your website to change the appearance and their settings, but we're going to be using pages. Quickly, let's tab over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website, and we're going to create a new page right here. And this theme, by the way, is Earth. I really like it. I like the blog on Earth, how it shows. But let's go back to Connect. And so we're on the website button. Let's go ahead and go to Pages. And we're going to get through this pretty quickly. I'm going to show you a tutorial video at the end on some of the stuff I'm going to be using, some of the tools. So first of all, I'm clicking on Create Blank Page. So I was on Pages, and I'm going to click on Create Blank Page here. And I'm going to enter a title right here. And the title is going to be Better Experience. And then we're going to scroll down. And down here, we're going to do a Better Hiking Experience. And let's just go ahead and bold that. Go 18 points, center. Maybe add a little bit of color to that. And then we're going to go enter. So you could use a table right here. Most of you might be familiar with that, but we're going to be using columns. We have the 2-column and 3-column. And the reason being is that the columns are going to drop below each other when viewing on mobile. It's going to be look really good, and I'll show you that too here in just a minute. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start adding some pictures. I already have the pictures preloaded, so I'm going to click on the image right there. And then I'm going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow. I'm going to go to My Images. I could choose them, but I already have them loaded into My Images in my content. We're going to start with this image here and click OK. And then we're going to go to the next image. And I'm going to go through this pretty quick. Back to My Images. And this one of Nevada Falls here. And click OK. So there's the 2-column. Then we need to replace these words right here. So what I'm going to do is I already have the words. I'm just going to go ahead and grab them. I'm going to put them in my clipboard. So I just do Control-C, and then I'm going to do highlight these words, these filler words, and then do Control-V. And there it is. Those are the words that I wanted to grab. And I'm going to do the same thing right here. So let me go ahead and grab the words. So it saves time. We don't have to type all this stuff out. And then I'm going to go ahead. I can back these out, and then I'm going to do Control-V, paste them in. You can do Control-Shift-V to paste unformatted. It depends on where you're getting them from. I'm getting them from another website on our platform, so I didn't have to do Control-Shift-V. So when you paste in the columns, you have these dashes. You want to take these dashes out, and it just keeps the formatting correct. So I'm going to back that up a little bit, and then down here, we're going to get rid of these dashes as well. Back that up. And now we're going to do a 3-column template. And this is going to go pretty quick. So again, we're just going to add some photos. I'm going to click on the photo, Insert Edit Image, up arrow, My Images. We're going to do Upper Yosemite Falls first, and then the next one. I'm just going to go through this quickly. And My Images, and El Cajon Mountain. And the next one is going to be Duck Lake. Up arrow, My Images, and Duck Lake. And use. Okay, we're almost done. We're going to, again, get rid of the dashes because that's just to help with the formatting. I'm just hitting backspace, one more time, bring that up, and then get rid of the filler words. And so what do we have? Upper Yosemite Falls, California. In this one, we have El Cajon, Mountain, California. And this picture, we have Duck Lake, Mammoth, California. Okay, and then there's one more dash down here below, and again, that just separates the formatting because you don't want to do a column within a column. It's going to get it all messed up. So we're just going to back that out, bring that down, and there it is. So we created the page. We still need to click Update, but before we click Update, let's go to Preview right here, and then we can look at Mobile Preview right here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see how the columns are one right underneath another. If I did a table, it would look different, and it'd be it wouldn't look nearly as well. This looks really terrific. So that's the reason you want to use the columns. So we're ready to click Update. So we're just going to go ahead and hit Create. Actually created the page, so not Update, but Create. And let's tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. And we're going to refresh the page. It's going to show right here. So let me refresh this. And there it is. There's the new page, Better Experience. And a better hiking experience. There's the 2 column. And then there's the 3 column. And it looks really great. Looks terrific. So let's tab back over. And let's go to the Help button real quick on the main menu. And these are the featured tutorial videos. I went through some of that pretty quickly on adding the pictures and things like that. If you go to the featured tutorial videos, watch this first video, How to Start Building Your Website, 3rd edition. That's going to be a big help to you. So let's go ahead and go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to make your website look great using columns with Dataczar Connect.